Hey everybody, Professor Beech here. You know, I've been doing this mortgage thing for 25 years, and there's always these four basic questions that pop up. So if you know anybody that's out there looking for a house, or somebody that's out there trying to buy their first house and they don't really know all the ins and outs, here's a great video to send them. So question number one is, how much house can I afford, Professor? And so if I'm riding down the road or I'm at my home, I don't have my computer, my calculator, I always think that they can buy about 4 times their annual salary. That's assuming you have normal debt. So if you make $50,000 a year, you can buy about a $200,000 place. If you make 50 and your spouse makes 50, that's 100. You can buy about a $400,000 house. Then they ask me, well, how much is my payment? And I say, well, it's about a factor of 6 or 7. So if you want to buy a $300,000 house, 6 times 3 is 18, so it's about $1,800 a month. That includes your taxes and insurance and everything. But if you want to buy a townhome or a condo, there's HOA dues, so it's a factor typically of about 7, so that'd be $2,100 on a $300,000 house. And then people want to know, how much money do they have to put down? Well, you need to put down about 3.5%. On a $300,000 house, that's about 10 grand. If you don't have the 10 grand, you can get a gift from your mom and dad, or maybe you can pull it out of your 401k without a penalty if it's your first house. And then people will ask me, well, what does my credit have to look like? Well, you need about a 620 score. If you don't know what your score is, you can go to annualcreditreport.com and you can pull your score for about $10 or $15. So if you got all four of those things, then you may be able to celebrate when you get these.